Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be addressing a comment I received about the latest video on True Power's YouTube channel. The comment asked for a detailed translation of what Denis Siplenkov actually said in the video. So let's dive into it. Here is what Denis said. I will prepare. I will be better. No, I will do my own thing. That's it. I will just stick to what works for me. I do not want to deviate from my plan. I am determined to focus on the exercises I used to do before, and that's what I will be doing. Dennis also mentioned I have not really added much to competition here. Here, Dennis is likely referring to some advanced training sessions that he did with a specific coach that they hired. It's like in extreme sports. Let me explain. When I worked with kettlebells, the most I could lift off the ground was 48 kg. That was my deadlift back then. Over time, it transitioned into something more serious. Then powerlifter came along who were lifting 300 to 400 kg. For me, someone who had not done that before, it felt like starting from scratch. At 25, I could lift around 150 kg, but there were other lifting 350 kg over the years, 10 years hypothetically. I slowly improved, but this journey made me realize something important. To compete at high level, you need years, even decades, to refine your skills and get stronger than your competitors. These are people who have been doing this their entire lives, while I have been focusing on something else. Dennis added, I tried to catch up to them in their exercises, but you cannot make significant progress in just 3 months. What I was doing before and I did not build the strength required for complete movements and heavy weights. Looking back, I realized I should have stuck to my own methods and focused on perfecting them. Even if my approach seemed easier at first, it would have been like pulling a hippo out of swamp, challenging but uniquely mine. Now I have already planned several steps to make it happen, but I am not ready to go ahead with it yet. After the holidays, maybe my mid February, I will start making progress on it. For now, I will take small steps and slowly build up. Dennis concluded with, yes, I need to fully committed to this, and it is going to get me even tougher. And honestly, I do not know what shape I will be in, but I will be preparing and improving. My thoughts here are Dennis's approach to training, sticking to what has worked for him in the past, seems like the right decision. It's clear and he understands the importance of playing to his strengths rather than forcing himself into someone else's methods. I have been following Dennis for a while now, and it's exciting to finally see some progress from him after a long break. I just want to see him back in the top form, and I'm confident he will get there with time and determination. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.